Here it comes. Here's our engine.
Turn backwards?
No, it had to get on the other track so that it could turn around and pull our train back. What do you think, Rafe? Does that look good? There he's waving at you guys. Yeah. Now he's going to go to the other end of the train. Yeah. He gets off of one end of the train and comes back the other end.
Yeah. I mean, much better. I like it. In the back. We're in the front now. Right?
Now we're in the front. How cool is that? Yeah. Hey, Junuh, let's go this way and we can watch him hook up, okay? Isn't this cool? Yeah, let's not throw the rocks. Let's watch the train get hooked up. Here it comes.
I stand here.
Oh, Rafe.
Because they may bump it.
That's right.
Yeah, hang on, folks, when they couple. See if they move.
They're going to hook up right there, guys. It's going to be right next to us. Rafe, it's going to hook up right there. Here comes that big train. Yeah.
Come back over here, Brennan.
Good job, guys.
Hang on, guys. I don't know how rough it'll be.
Ready?
What'd you think of that, guys?
Looks like they've done that.
You want to up it? Are they going to hook up the lines so that they have brakes and stuff?
I got burned holes.
Yeah, I wanted to look up and see if we could see inside the engine. Let's just take a peek. Papa's got our key, so it's okay. Doesn't that look cool? Can you guys stand right there by the engine? Just take one step forward and turn around. Okay, turn around, Rafe. There you are. Awesome. Thank you.